Okay, once again, good morning all of you, and first let's mark the half yearly syllabus. Okay, so you all have your literature books with you, or it will be better if you write it down. I told you all to be ready with a copy and a pen. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so write down English literature.
Yes, ma'am.
First give the heading half yearly syllabus. Okay, then English literature. Open your videos, all of you. Students, are you able to hear me? Come on. Open your videos, all of you. That's nice. Okay, so the first chapter in English literature, number 1, solitude. Write down solitude. Okay, second, the great escape. Write down the great escape. Third, sandalwood trees. Third is sandalwood trees. Fourth, a race lost and won. A race lost and won. Okay, so you'll have only 4 chapters in literature this time. Okay, are you able to hear me? Okay, good. Now let's move on to English language.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the first chapter, ma'am?
First chapter, solitude. Solitude.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, only 4 chapters are coming.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now write for English language. First is noun. Nouns.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, first is nouns, then second articles, third pronouns, fourth adjectives, then fifth the present tenses. The present tenses. Next, the past tenses. And the last one here, the future tenses. Have all of you written?
Ma'am, second and
Yes,
third.
ma'am.
Okay, so how
Yes, ma'am.
altogether how many topics in language?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 7.
Ma'am, 7.
7.
Ma'am, 7.
Okay. Okay, I will repeat language once again. First is nouns, then articles, pronouns, adjectives, then the present tenses, the past tenses, and the future tenses.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have already done till the past tense, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that means we have to
ma'am.
complete just one more topic in English language. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And that we will do in the coming week. We will meet on Monday most probably let's see which timetable is being followed, and then next week we will finish off your grammar course. All right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
And all of you have done notice and message?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
But there are some who have not sent me their notice and message, and even their literature work. There are some. Yesterday Hannan was making some noise here. Where's Hannan today? Is he here?
Ma'am, he is not here.
Ma'am, he's not here, ma'am.
Okay.
He has not joined, ma'am.
All right. So Anubhav, is he your friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he your friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Is Hannan your no? Okay. Who is Hannan's friend?
Ma'am, ma'am, Baishar, ma'am.
And where is there?
Ma'am, there sit down. Ma'am, there sit down.
And where's? All right, all right. I heard you. Where's there?
Ma'am, he is also not here.
So there is also not in the class today.
Ma'am, I am here. Ma'am, he is here.
Okay. There.
Ma'am, he's shut down.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, is Hannan your friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell him that ma'am was asking for the written work.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and tell him to join the classes also. Because father has said that all of the students have to join these live classes.
Ma'am, Ishita is asking that letter writing, message writing, and notice writing is coming or not.
Beta, most probably you will have a notice or a message. It could be either of the two. It could be either a notice or a message for this time. A comprehension would be there.
Ma'am, this time how will we have our exam?
Beta, that we'll let you know very soon. But as of now, as I've told you, it will be a mixed paper, objective as well as subjective. So you need to prepare likewise.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So like it will not be like totally objective that was on Google Forms. It won't be like that. That means you have to prepare subjective also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's begin with the chapter. Move to page 39 in your books. Arrays, lost and won.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is this story about? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, this story is about a girl who never gave up.
Okay. Who never gave up. Anything else about it? About this chapter?
And she loves sports.
Okay. She loved sport. And who has written this particular story? Anything about the writer?
Ma'am. Ma'am, Devika. Devika
Rangachari. Rangachari. Huh. Okay.
Ma'am, Devika Rangachari.
Okay, right. Devika Rangachari, and she has received 19 national awards in various competitions for writing children books and children's stories. So she is a famous children writer, you could say. All right, now let's see what this story is all about. Okay. Now when the bell rang for PT, I jumped up. So this story is about a girl, and as soon as the bell rang for the PT period, games period, the girl, she jumped up and her eyes were full with excitement, shining brightly with excitement. I think you all people also felt the same way while in school,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Games
Yes, ma'am.
period, and
Yes,
you
ma'am.
all are so excited to leave the class and go. Okay. And so this girl also, just as soon as the PT period, the bell rang for it, and she was all full with excitement. But the rest of the class, they simply did not like it, and they looked at her, and now she was like, oh come on, and she shouted to them and simply galloped. We use gallop for which animal? Obviously we don't use horse, right? We don't use
Ma'am, horse, kangaroo.
we don't use gallop for humans, but she was just simply like galloping, walking very fast like a horse down the corridors, and just went to the PT grounds. And the PT teacher, Mrs. Reddy, she got up and almost reluctantly, means not very ready to do so, but when she saw her, the PT teacher saw her, so she rose to her feet, and then she said that the bell, it rang just a minute ago and you are extremely punctual, means in just 1 minute she ran down the corridors and was there on the PT grounds. And means all the students also, means she forced everyone to come quick to the PT grounds, and everyone was looking in her direction that she has forced them to come there, but she ignored all and she was simply looking with affection at Mrs. Reddy's face. And so she says that her association, means her relationship with Mrs. Reddy, it went down when she was in the primary classes. And you know, though this girl, she loved sports, but you know, she was not, we could say she was not very good at it. And so she will roll out on prickly horsehair mats, on the mats, you know, the mats, some of them are like prickly, they have some needles, like though they are soft but they are prickly. And so the teacher, she used to give certain tasks and activities to the students, and then they have to perform sometimes somersaults. You know what are somersaults? Yes, I think boys would be able to answer that. Where are the boys in the class? Now we don't have any boy in the class. Is that what you want to imply? Yes, class 7C. Yes, who will tell me?
What?
Okay.
And what did you say?
What are somersaults? Somersaults you must have heard. Okay, write it down. You only.
A backflip.
Okay.
Ma'am, they are a form of gymnastics.
Okay. So you know, sometimes the teacher gave the students somersaults to do, like front roll, or what you was calling as front flip or back flip. And then now this girl, she was not very good, but she tried everything. And normally what happened, she used to land in a twisted heap with her legs and hands all twisted, and then Mrs. Reddy, the PT teacher, she has to come to the rescue and take out her limbs, means hands and legs, from the unnatural angles in which she had gotten them into, and the teacher used to bring them back to their original positions. And then there are the cartwheels. Cartwheels, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students, do you know what are cartwheels?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then there were the cartwheels, you know, in which you have to
Yes, ma'am.
spin total, all right, your whole body. And then they have to spin ourselves around from point A to B. But you know, whenever she tried to do it, she got totally out of control, and then she would means fall like an eagle, all see, with her arms and legs all extended and breathless, and spinning, means her head used to spin, because whenever she tried this cartwheel, you know what happened, she was not able to do it well, and she was not able to control herself, and she simply went on and then fall flat and breathless also. And so Mrs. Reddy, she used to tell her, maybe you should not do this particular exercise, it might be not for you. But the girl, she was ready to try everything, and she wanted to master everything, because she loved the sports so very much. And then you know, They were the horses. In the picture you can see on page 40. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
All right. They were the horses, raised triangle structures, and they looked. The girl is saying that they looked like plateaus and or like the cupcakes, and cupcakes out of shape. But she loved them, and though there were some other students like Dipali and company, and they were very good on this horse. But whenever this girl she tried, she always used to hurt her back and then make noises, and then the teacher she had to come and rescue her from that position. But even though she was not good at all of this, and she rather got herself into very difficult problems because of this, means sometimes all her hands and legs they got just twisted up, and sometimes she used to hurt herself also. But still nothing could deter her, means though all these problems were there, but still the students used to laugh at her as if she was the clown of the class or the joker of the class, and the class also used to wait so that she would land into a twisted or tangled form, and then they would laugh at it for the rest of the day. But still, you know, all this did not bother her at all, because she loved the sport so much, and she simply loved everything about it, whether she was able to do it well or not. And now over the years she has seen Mrs. Reddy when she was in primary class. Then Mrs. Reddy, she was a young and energetic person, but now she was not so young, and basically she had a very resigned look. See the meaning of resigned? What is the meaning of resigned? Someone read it out.
Expecting that something unpleasant must happen and that you cannot change it.
All right. So you know, you accept that something bad is going to happen, always knowing that something bad is going to happen, and you cannot do anything about it. So basically what we can say, having a pessimistic outlook or a pessimistic attitude. Now she has become like that, and some students told her that this girl, she was responsible for her look, and but this girl, she refused to believe them. And now she used to think, this girl used to think, that where would Mrs. Reddy find such an enthusiastic pupil or a student, because you know, this girl, she loved sports, every minute of it, whatever complicated exercise was there, and though it was full of hurdles, but still she loved to do it. Beta, you people can switch off your mics. When I ask you questions, then you can switch it on. And you know, she refused to believe that she was not good at it. And why? Because you know, though she was not able to complete those exercises which Mrs. Reddy gave her, but she always put in her best, means she always gave it her best try. And maybe she thought that it was just bad luck that she was not able to do or complete the task which she was given to do. And right now in the school she is talking about, everyone was full of expectation. Why? Because the inter-school sports competition was just around the corner, means approaching, and now most of the teams have to be selected for the various events. And this girl also, she also has practiced so much under Mrs. Reddy, and she thought that she practiced so hard that she thought that her body would crack a muscle or two, means her muscles. Mute. All right. And she practiced so hard that she thought that her muscles will break, and she thought that maybe she'll be picked up for the basketball team. But obviously she was not picked up, because the girls which were picked up, they were all very tall, and they thought that she was just like a mosquito which made trouble them. And then she thought that maybe she could get a chance, be selected for the long jump, and but then you know, she was not selected for that also. And so you know, all the teams were selected, and now only the racing teams were left to be chosen. and this girl is saying that ever since she could remember, she used to love racing, and right from the primary section she could recall that she was crawling, and she thought that she could run, but then she fell, and her dress and everything in the on the ground in the chalk, and the chalk also, you know, when you are racing, then lines are made with chalk white. If you have seen, have you noticed that, ever seen that, the racing tracks?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you must have seen that the divisions are made with the help of white powder like something, so it is a chalk. And you know, in primary section also, when she tried, she fell flat with the chalk blowing everywhere, and even on her face with her nose almost to the ground. Okay, so we will stop here only, and we will continue with the chapter tomorrow and end it tomorrow, and then from Monday onwards we will come back to language. Okay, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, have you understood till here?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
All right. Oh, okay, then we will end the class here. Okay, God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.